Men identified as Rakesh Gaur allegedly killed his elder sister-in-law Jankor Gaur, wife of Jugal Gaur, residents of Paharguri village falling under the jurisdiction of Dokmoka police station, Mahamaya constituency. According to sources, it was reported that the incidents had taken place on 1st of December during an interval of cutting paddy at the field. Jankor Gaur, wife of Jugal Gaur, was at rest when her brother-in-law Rakesh Gaur went to the field and allegedly killed her using a bamboo pole. Acting upon the information, Dokmoka police reached the spot where the incidents had taken place. During the investigation, police apprehended the convict of these scenes, Rakesh Gaur, and upon interrogation, Rakesh Gaur admitted his crime. Nahid Karisma DSP Karbi Anglong, while addressing the media, informed that all the necessary steps were taken and legal procedure would be followed. The body was brought to Dokmoka police station and an FIR had been registered against Rakesh Gaur.
লুকাই আছে বুলি তথ্য পোৱাত আমাৰ ওচি ডকমকা আৰু থানাৰ ষ্টাফে সাৰ্জেং গাঁৱৰ পৰা তেওঁক আটক কৰা হ'ল। তাৰ পিছত আমাৰ যিবিলাক পিঅ যিবিলাক প্ৰচিডিয়াৰ থাকে যিখিনি কৰিব লাগে যিখিনি সিজাৰ হে গুটেখিনি কৰা হৈছে আৰু বৰ্তমানে আমি আসামিজনক ডকমকা থানাত অনা হৈছে আৰু কেছ এটা যিজন মাইকী মানুহ যিজন ঢুকালে তেওঁ হাজবেণ্ডে এটা কেছ দিয়াত আমি কেছ ৰেজিষ্টাৰ কৰিম।
Samsing English report from Dokmoka for Karbi Anglong Live.